Dear students, I want to solve some questions of exercise 1.3 of chapter number 1 for 7th class. Now I take question number 1, part number I, minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 3 multiply 4. Then how we will solve it? First of all, we multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1 minus 2 minus multiply minus minus multiply minus, then we get plus. We get plus here. Minus 1 multiply minus 2, that is equal to plus 2. Plus 2. Here we can say that minus 1 multiply minus 2, it will become 2, multiply minus 3 multiply 4. Then we will multiply 2 and minus 3. Now we get minus 6 multiply 4. Here we will get 6 multiply 4 minus 24. Then answer will be minus 24. Now another question of this question number 1, part number J. Also we have to multiply minus 3, multiply minus 6, multiply minus 2, multiply minus 1. Here, first of all, minus 3 multiply minus 6. We will multiply both minus multiply minus. Then I want to tell you about the symbols. Sign minus multiply minus is equal to plus. Plus multiply plus is equal to plus. And here minus multiply plus is equal to minus. And plus multiply minus is equal to minus. If we have to multiply the two same signs, negative sign, then we get plus. And whenever we multiply two positive sign, then we get plus. Again, if we multiply minus, one minus and other is plus, then we get minus. And if also multiply plus, multiply minus, that we get minus. Here we will solve it. Minus 3 multiply minus 6, we will get 18. Multiply 2 multiply 1, we get minus 1. Minus 2 multiply minus 1, we get 2. Here answer is 36. I hope that you can do such type of the questions like that the question number 1, all of you. And I hope that you will also do the practice of this exercise. Next question, I take the next question number 2 of this exercise also. Verify the following. Question number 2, part number A, 18 multiply 7 bracket 7 plus minus 3. Here 18 multiply bracket start 7 plus multiply minus we will get minus 3 is equal to 18 multiply 4 7 minus 3 we get 4 or 18 7 ja is equal to 72. Then we can solve the such type of the questions of question number 2, and that is equal to this part is the left hand side. We will take the left hand side, and now right hand side of this part, this question, that will be equal to 18 multiply 7, 18 multiply minus 7 multiply 7 and plus 18 multiply minus 3. Then we can take common in both. 18 is common by applying the distributive property. 18 here 7 we take common plus minus 3 is equal to आ गया आपका 18 multiply 4 is equal to 72. Then we get both the sides RHS, right hand side and left hand side are same, both are equal. Then that will be verified. Hence we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Now we will take another question of this exercise. Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from, तो टेम्परेचर कितना था स्टार्टिंग में? रूम टेम्परेचर was equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Now the rate at which the temperature lowered every hour is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. It means every hour means in 1 hour temperature will be lowered. How much temperature? It will be lower. It means 5 degrees Celsius temperature will be lowered, decreased. Then after how much time? 10 hours after. The temperature will lowered in 10 hours is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Hence, room temperature will be after 10 hours. Room temperature will be after 10 hours is equal to how much room temperature will be lowered? That will be equal to the initial temperature was 40 degrees Celsius and temperature will be lowered in 10 hours, that will be equal to 50 degrees Celsius in 1 hour, because 5 degrees Celsius temperature will be lowered or decreased in 1 hour. In 10 hour temperature, total temperature will be decreased, that will be equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Hence, room temperature will be after 10 hours, that will be equal to the initial temperature 40 degrees Celsius minus final temperature is equal to degrees Celsius, that is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. The room temperature after 10 hours, that will be equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now, I hope that you can do the sums of this exercise. Now I will come on exercise number 1.4 of this chapter.